Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3350. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone. Press and hold the smartphone button until you see a Wi-Fi icon flashing. Press and hold it. 1, 2, 3. Then you release it. Once you release it, you see that the Wi-Fi icon is flashing. You need to have two lines on the Wi-Fi network. I see the two lines are now visible on the LCD screen, and the power on button is also flashing. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. Now the next thing to do is go to Play Store on your mobile phone or App Store or Android and install Canon PRINT app. Select Canon PRINT app, install it on your mobile phone. Then open the app. Agree to terms and conditions. Select using this while using this app. Select allow for location. Select allow. And this is the app. I got different printer here that we need to remove. So I'm going to delete previous printer. Then go back. Then select search for printer. Please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Going to select no. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect, then select next. The printer is dictated. Connect to the device Canon IJ24057/TX3330 series. Then select connect. Connected. Processing. Please wait. So you found the network. The printer will connect to the following wireless router. Then you select yes. Then it will ask you to put the password. So I have the information here, so I'm going to put the password. Double check the information you put to make sure the information are correct. Then you select OK. It's communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. And if you look on the printer, the power on button is still highlighting. This printer is connected to a network. If you look, you will see that the Wi-Fi light, so it's connected. Then you select close this. Then you select OK. This is the printer. TX3330 series online is asking us to check the ink cartridge. So but this printer is connected to a network. I'm using the manufactured ink. This is the reason why it's showing us this line on the ink. But the printer is connected, and now I want us to print a document. To print document, select print documents. Select documents. Then you go to the file and select the particular document you want to print out. So this is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. Then you select next. I want us to print all. Select OK to print all. Then select change settings. Select number of copies. Select A4, same as original. We want to print this in color. Then you go back. Then select print. printing is completed, then you select OK. These are the documents we printed out. We printed these in color. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network and print out a document. And this is Canon Print app. From this app, you can print documents just like we did. You can print photos. You can scan documents, smartphone copy, cloud copy, creative pack, and etc. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network and print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.